look at the pretty girl. Look at the pretty girl. Yeah.
It'll go beep, 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 and then you release it.
So welcome to Off Grid with Dave and Kelly. It's Sunday here, and got a beautiful day here beginning of November. It's probably close to 20. Gorgeous, but I don't think it's gonna last. They're saying next week it's supposed to turn cold and be more like winter. So I've been clearing out property around here. Eventually we're gonna have a barn up over in there, but this here's all gonna be pasture in here, and I've been getting this cleared out and cleaned up. There was a lot of old stumps around here. I think it had been logged previously. There wasn't a lot of growth in here. It was mostly all little stuff, shrubs, thicket, that kind of stuff. So I've been working away at it, trying to get it cleaned up, and we'll turn it all into pasture. Same with a lot of this stuff in here. It's almost all of it's dead stuff, a little bit of scrub and stuff here. We'll leave a few trees for pasture for whatever we have here, and just for shade for them. But for the most part, we'll clean out all the scrub and everything. I know it's been a little while since I had a video out. Last one we had was with our puppy. We've named her Pippa. So that's she's adjusting well. Finley's adjusting to her, trying to put up with the young pup. So that's always a challenge for him too. We wanted to get a friend for him for quite a while. So, or actually Kelly did. But he has a friend now, so he'll be enjoying himself. Other than that, I just wanted to update everyone, let you know what we're doing. Also wanted to do an update on our windmill and solar. Solar's been working beautifully. Even into November here, when we have sunny days, haven't had to run the generator at all. It works perfectly. The windmill, slightly different story. I have had it producing. We need very, very high winds. Most I've seen it produce is 3 amps, which is nothing. It's supposed to be a 3 kilowatt wind turbine. I don't know if it produces 3 kilowatts in a year or maybe 5 years, I don't know, but it definitely isn't producing what they said. But our solar, that's from Microgreen, has been very good. Actually, Microgreen has been very good with us and troubleshooting with the solar and with the windmill, trying to fix it up. I know that the windmill's not their issue, but they've done a top-notch job, in my opinion, in trying to help us and problem solve with it. So at this point, I'm not sure what we're going to end up doing with the windmill. It's right now pretty expensive lawn ornament. You know, essentially we have to have a hurricane in order for the thing to produce anything. You know, I don't know. We'll see. I'll leave it up. Meanwhile, I'm checking into other windmills as well. It's kind of an iffy subject there. They don't like to give you a lot of information on them, and you've got to know what questions to ask. So I'm gradually learning the questions that I need to ask these companies in order to set them apart to see which ones are good and which ones are garbage. So, but we'll take it one day at a time and see how it works out. I have been cleaning out in here. We've got a good chunk cleaned out here, but obviously I still have a lot more to go. I've been governed by the weather and being wet and everything, so it's been a slow process. But anyhow, that's all for today. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.